Hello friends, as you can see here, this is our third website called the HSE Tools. On this website, you get free online HSE tools that are very useful for safety professionals. Whether you want to do calculations, perform a risk assessment, generate a HIRA, JSA, PTW, make reports, prepare checklists, deliver training, or conduct toolbox talks, you can do all of it here with these tools. In short, it's a tool website where you can complete all these tasks with the help of ready-made tools. You can see 5 categories here. For example, under calculators and KPIs, you can calculate safe man hours, man days work, frequency rate, severity rate, incident rate, LTI, etc. If someone wants to generate a HIRA, JSA or PTW, you can do that from here as well. I will also show you one tool as an example so you understand how to use it. But first, let's understand what you will find on this website. Under reports and documentations, you can generate daily safety reports, weekly safety reports and monthly safety reports. Under checklists, you can create construction safety checklist, manufacturing, office safety checklist, toolbox talk, safety induction checklist, and even training attendance sheet also you can generate by using these tools. You can minimize or expand section easily. There are 5 categories. Clicking any category takes you to its sections. If you click reports, the report section opens. Click explore all tools to see everything in one place. The open HIRA and JSA button lets you generate HIRA and JSA. Let me show you an example with the JSA tool. Click open tool, you will see table of contents explaining what's inside. For new users, I have provided an article below the JSA generator. You can see here what are the components, how to use these generators and step-by-step examples. If you want to prepare a JSA for a specific task, let's say hot work, then in the job field you have to type hot work and enter site name. I have provided some templates for reference. In the future, we will add more detailed templates like excavation, scaffolding, hot work, etc. Enter the date for the JSA and supervisor's name. To make a JSA, list the step for the task. Example, hot work, the hazards, control measures, require PP and responsible person's actions. You can easily add any row or remove any row as needed. Some example templates are available like excavations. Select the excavation templates and click apply template. You will see sample steps appear. If you want to add more row, you can easily add from this button. In the excavation examples, you will see 3 steps with hazards, control measures, PPE and responsible persons. You can add more items and steps as needed to complete your JSA. After filling everything, you can download the PDF easily. All our HSE tools let you generate a PDF of your output. So you get multiple tools here that make your daily, weekly and monthly work easier. If you have any question related to this, comment below. You will find the link in the descriptions, or you can search on the Google for the HSE tools and use all the tools there. If you face any difficulty using a tool, let me know. I have also written an article for each tool explaining how to use it with example. Still have questions? Tell me in the comments below. That's all for the today. See you in the next video with a new topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye.